Alright guys, we're back. Hope everybody is doing well today. So it is the same day as the last video, but we're going to go into this intake. Like I said, if you can look here, this intake, brand new hose, but for some odd reason it is way longer than what it needs to be, and I can't even fit that box on it. So I don't think it's running right for that matter of getting way too much air in that. So we're going to take this whole box out. All we got to do is take these 4 bolts off, get the top off, and then got my little box over here. Just a cheap one. I didn't get no expensive intake. It's just like I said. This is going to be a beater ass car. I have a little bit of fun in. So as you can see there, adapter plate for it. Just normal cone filter. So I'm going to take everything off and put it on and see how she turns out. So we got it out already. As you guys can see here, box came out, it was just held on by one actual bolt. But now we got quite a bit amount of room for actual air to flow in, to be honest, and it's kind of decent amount away from the engine, so I don't actually think it'll be too bad. The only shitty thing I see is it kind of just hangs there, and the map sensor is actually pretty damn heavy. And that's really freaking heavy. Might have to fab something. We got bolts here. We might be able to make a bracket or something out of something. Something out of something. So, well, let's get this bolted up on and see how she runs, and then we'll go from there and see if we can fab something on a little later. So okay, so that goes on there just like that. That's all it is. Just an adapter plate that goes on. The only crappy thing is the stock nuts off of it don't work. So they have washers, like I want to do them already. They're not gonna work on there. So I gotta hopefully find nuts. I'll be back. Alright, we're back. Found them. Good to go. So last thing is, all we gotta do is put the filter on. so shiny. tiny, so spiffy. Alright guys, finished product. Simple, simple. Like I said, definitely got to find a mount for it somehow or another. Let it hang there for right now just to run the car, but not bad. Easy, easy. Let's give her a start and see how she sounds, shall we? All in all, I'm not going to say that sounds bad at all. Like I said, definitely got to get a bracket for that. I don't want that flopping around in there too much. But intake's on. I'm going to take her for a drive, see how she performs with that one. Maybe the bucking and knocking and stuff will stop. If not, then come this weekend, we'll replace some of the spark plugs and stuff. Maybe it'll stop. So, but stay tuned. Tomorrow's going to be the big reveal for my daughter. And I'm hoping that she's going to be happy with this. It's the start of a whole new, I don't know, just a whole new big adventure. So I'm excited to get into drifting. I'm excited to get into autocross. I got a lot of people behind me on this. A lot of good friends. Alan from AMA Motorsports is going to be helping me. I mean, he's just an amazing drifter to begin with. So I'm very fortunate for the guys I have to back me up.